The following film outlines a journey of support provided by Communities for Work, an EU-funded employment programme.
I'd heard about Communities for Work in my son's playgroup. I'd been telling the playgroup leader that I'd like to get into a similar line of work. I just never found the right time to go back to college. She told me that Communities for Work could provide training without needing to go to college and that I should give them a call to make an appointment. After enrolling, I met my mentor Helen. We had a few meetings to discuss different career options and the different courses on offer. Helen arranged a meeting at a local day nursery to see what qualifications and experience they look for. After that, I decided on a Level 2 Childcare Learning and Development. I had to complete a paediatric first aid course first, but Communities for Work sorted that out for me too. They even helped me to sort out a childminder for me to go to the course. To complete my qualification, I had regular meetings with my tutor, and I started to help out at the parent and toddler group. I had meetings in between with Helen, who helped me to keep going and started to tell me about different job opportunities. My son started school in September, and I also started my very first job in a nursery. I couldn't have done it without Communities for Work.